Finally we arrived. Yeah, we're gonna go up there. We need to climb that. It's hard. I'm sweating. Wow, the tree is so tall. Wow.
因为呢不靠这个，它也可以走了。
这样你下来，然后再爬下去。
So hot.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So hot.
Look, my face. Man, your job all sweat.
Yeah. Your face is sweating.
And turn red.
Look at her.
Because of hardship. 穿装备吧。
教练是不是要穿装备了？
I don't need to go there, then come down from this rope, then we go there. Okay. Put like this, not like this. Like this. Sideways, then you will be safe. I'm holding the camera with one hand. Hmm? Oh God.
Hello, hello. How are you? Fine. Very good. Where are we? Xishuangbanna.
This guy and his TikTok, man.
Xishuangbanna.
Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Damn, this is moving so wild. Look at this, I can't. Shit.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I need to hold this.
You can come Pakistan.
Now I know.
Yeah, we welcome to you.
Oh, not even that one.
Are you the blogger?
No, not the blogger.
There now. Oh shit, look at crossing this one. Okay. Need to go this way. Hey, hold on! Look at that.
No, nothing. Come on, go.
You want my idea? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Go. 等一下。
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
This is okay.
Come on. Ready? Oh my God.
This is good. I think I can only hold this X5 camera. I can't hold the other one.
Okay, thank you. Let's go.
These trees are so tall, man. That's easy. Yeah, mighty and go. Oh no! Oh! This girl is shaking so violently. Look at this. It's pretty high.
Oh my God. Thank you, Fidara.
Hey! What are you guys doing? Go! Oh my god!
Can I take your picture? What kind of time you want to now?
This guy is taking pictures because he wants to be in picture. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Freaking tired. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is easy. Oh, this one is easy pick. There are more people coming. Oh, every time I need to do this. Then go. Still checking this out like this, and then moving along. Now there are stairs going down, and I don't know how long. Oh god. This is beautiful. A long way to go. First we climb all the way up, and we are going down with these all things. Let's go. I think there we'll go down. Oh, oh. No, this is scary. That's why we need to have helmet, because I just bump into this pipe. Oh, this is wooden and this is rope. Dude, can I do it with one hand? Can I hold my camera? Ow. It's shaky. It's shaky. It's really. It's not stable. It's moving. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting for something. Oh.
This is so scary, be careful.
The other one is cool, that one. You need to watch your steps and move forward. Just like this. I'm gonna put my camera a little high.
Wow.
Yeah,
You want to look here, Fidara, I'm making a video, you know?
in that way I can hold the camera in the rope.
If you want to move your face here, you can see me.
What?
Yeah, look, this is your video. Now be careful. Come on.
Where's my mic? Huh? Did I put my mic in the camera? Oh shoot! There, I found it. Oh no!
What happened?
My mic, bro.
Oh, your mic.
Wait.
Be careful, bro.
I don't want to lose my mic. All right, I got it.
How to do this? China. Yeah, China.
Look.
Look here.
是不是啊？
Picture. Yes.
Thank you.
Let's go on tomorrow, bhai.
You're nice, bro. You're taking my pictures. This is scary fun. I'm never gonna bring my camera with me again while doing this. Way up high. Ah. 你们走？走 ？No？ 哦，当 OK。
因为以前我玩那个什么跟你去亚特兰蒂斯玩那个，
为什么这里没有啊？
一下子那个窗一开，直跳到地。
How difficult that?
Huh?
How difficult? Oh,
What did you say?
scary mood.
Oh shit.
Finally.
So freaking tired. Okay, wait.